And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a smartphone message icon. Let us copy this one here on the right. We'll start with the rectangle tool. Just drag it freeform. You will find this circle right here. Drag it downwards to have rounded corners. So the rectangle tool is active, otherwise you won't see that circle. Keep that in mind. And let us have a black stroke. So hold Shift and click on the black swatch down here. Now use the Bezier tool, make sure snapping is enabled, and we need the snap to paths active. When you drag it, hold Ctrl. Use the cursor tool, select it, Ctrl D to copy it, hold Ctrl when you drag it downwards. Now use the ellipse tool, hold Shift and Ctrl. Let me turn the snapping off for now. Select it all, then hold Shift and click on the circle to deselect it. Press Ctrl G, then select it all again, Path, Object, and align and distribute, and align it like this. We can select it all once more and press Ctrl G. Let us create another rectangle for the speech bubble. And it has a white fill. So that's the way I can get rid of this line of the smartphone. Let us use the Bezier tool, left click, hold Ctrl, left click again. Ctrl D, hold Ctrl when you drag it down. And then size it down a little bit, hold Ctrl when you do. Create this kind of like a triangle element. You can use the Bezier tool again, hold Ctrl when you drag it. Shift click on the speech bubble, path and union. Then we select this part, Ctrl G to group it. Now select it all. And I go to Object and Fill and Stroke. There you'll find the stroke style. Let me select millimeters in the drop down and I increase that to 3. That should be good width. Once more, I select it all, Ctrl G, and we can export it. And this is already our finished smartphone message icon. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.